Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and I just finished a live stream here with my iPhone SE. This is a second generation 2020 iPhone SE that I picked up for just under $200. Obviously it is pre-owned, and I picked this up at Target. I actually saw it online, but it is something they sell in store, so I did an in-store pickup. I don't really know the brand. It just came in this wrapper in this box right here. If you want to see that, you can check out the unboxing on that live stream. But really no branding on it. It just says certified smartphone. The screen is in pretty fair condition for a used device. There is one tiny little scratch up here, which you can't really see on camera unless you hold it in the right light. The back is where it's kind of so-so, though. There is a couple gashes right here. I know you guys can see those. Type of gash you can just run your nail through and you just feel it and hear it and all that kind of stuff. And then there's one that runs right up the Apple logo right here. Not too terribly bad. Again, it was a used device. I did look at some other places. I bought a phone from Plug Tech. I bought that Z Fold 4 from Plug Tech. And Plug Tech is selling these in excellent condition for $30 cheaper than I paid for this one. And just knowing how they rate their phones and have purchased that Z Fold from them before in excellent condition. Their excellent condition is like no scratches. It's like brand new. So a phone like this to them would be eco-friendly, which would be, I think they were selling these for like $149 or something like that, in eco-friendly condition, which is I'm pretty sure what they would rate this with those scratches. Usually their good condition is 1 to 2 scratches, and this has a few more bumps and bruises than that. There is also a gash up here on the top. I don't know if it was dropped or if somebody hit something on it or whatnot, but there is that. And let's see here, see what we got. The screen is okay. We'll pop in here to the battery though. This is another thing with a used device. Battery health is at 83%. The battery seems to be doing all right. These phones don't have great battery life to begin with when they're brand new, just because of the small battery. This started off at 87% when I started the restore, and we're down to 82% in probably about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Again, it is still downloading stuff in the background for the iCloud restore, so I'm not really judging that right now. We'll see how that goes. I may end up replacing the battery and doing a video on that if I need to. I plugged it into coconut battery on my computer, and we are showing 677 cycles, and this phone was manufactured on June 14th, 2021, so it is coming up on 3 years old. 677 cycles at 83% is very good. For these phones, these batteries were rated for 500 cycles and not to be below 80% by 500 cycles. The newer iPhone 15s are supposed to get up to 1,000 cycles before they drop below 80%. So this one I would say is doing pretty good. We'll see how well the battery does, like I said right there. But that is my used 2020 iPhone SE second generation. This is the LTE model. The third generation is the one that has 5G. Didn't really care too much about that though, because around where I am, 5G LTE, those speeds are about the same, so I wasn't too concerned about that. For the price, I was just going to check this out and see what we got. So there's that. I'll do some update videos on it. Like I said, if I do end up replacing the battery, I'll probably go with like an iFixit battery and do a video on replacing that. But I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.